Welcome to Healthy Ways and stay tuned until the end of the video, as you will receive 3 bonus ebooks which can help you to improve your health in many ways. Individuals have uncovered Zingiber officinale, aka the root all the more regularly known as ginger, for its medical advantages and fiery flavor since the get-go. Be that as it may, in light of the fact that it's been around for some time doesn't mean it's a fix for your well-being. Here, we explain the legends versus the realities on this in vogue flavor that is most popular for bringing the warmth. 1. It can diminish your danger of diabetes. Researchers have connected some dynamic mixes in ginger with upgrades in insulin and digestion. All things considered, in case you're in danger for diabetes, adding extra to sweet gingerbread treats won't help you. Keep both dried and new ginger close by for seasoning smoothies and veggie-based mixed fries and soups. While some concoction mixes in ginger may diminish after some time, the drying procedure upgrades other gainful ones. 2. It's a characteristic method to mitigate period pain. Out of the entirety of the examination done on ginger's pain-mitigating properties, results show it assists with menstrual pain the most. Tasting ginger tea can likewise alleviate queasiness during that time. Be that as it may, on the off chance that you as a rule take acetaminophen or ibuprofen, it may not fill in also. Check with your doc before attempting any enhancement in concentrate or pill structure, since it might communicate with different drugs you're taking. 3. It's calming. Like other produce, nuts, seeds, beans, and entire grains, ginger contains cancer prevention agent-like mixes called phytonutrients that may decrease cell harm. The root can likewise keep aggravation from beginning by lessening cell flagging action. In view of that, adding ginger to effectively supplement thick dinners is the way to opening those properties. 4. It can settle an annoyed stomach. The possibility that ginger can help with some light stomach inconvenience isn't new. Truth be told, Investigate has connected numerous stomach-related advantages to ginger, explicitly following up on parts of your GI tract liable for sentiments of sickness, stomach upset, and retching. It might likewise help move nourishment from the stomach to the small digestive tract for processing and ingestion. All things considered, ginger can't forestall food contamination or check ingestion of an unsafe substance, so contact your doctor ASAP if something requires earnest clinical consideration. 5. It can likewise check morning infection. Also, talking about a steamed stomach, pregnant ladies specifically should observe, ginger may help decrease side effects of morning soreness. Truth be told, look into underpins the security and viability of ginger during pregnancy, with some improvement in manifestations when contrasted with a fake treatment. 6. It might help prevent coronary illness. A similar calming mixes in ginger can likewise diminish the danger of ceaseless ailment. A 2016 audit even connected normal ginger admission with lower cholesterol and glucose contrasted with a fake treatment. Be that as it may, much the same as diabetes, eating ginger can't balance an in any case terrible eating routine high in soaked fat and included sugar. You'll despite everything need to devour more veggies, 100% entire grains, lean proteins, fish, vegetables, and beans so as to diminish your hazard. 7. It might bring down your danger of disease. The cell-securing properties of ginger can bring down the drawn-out danger of specific malignancies. That is on the grounds that the zest and different flavorings may lessen cell movement that causes DNA changes, cell demise, and expansion of disease cells. It could likewise help sharpen tumors to medications like chemo and radiation. While ginger's not a fix for any incessant infection, utilizing it routinely with heaps of different flavors and plant-based nourishments can help advantage well-being by and large. 8. It can assist you with getting more fit. Some little examinations have connected ginger admission, when joined with other plant removes, to certain advantages in weight reduction. Also, there's unquestionably some encouraging creature investigate connecting ginger to weight the executives. Yet, similarly as with whatever else, ginger is no enchantment weight reduction pill. Different segments of a solid, adjusted eating routine issue the same amount of with regards to getting in shape and keeping it off. The bottom line. Ginger can be a delicious method to enhance any diet plans. In addition, trading the flavor for included salt, sugar, or immersed fat may assist us with losing undesirable pounds. Utilize ginger for flavoring veggie overwhelming dinners and bites, not exclusively for medical advantages. Thank you for watching. As promised, you may download the ebooks from the links in description below. Healthy ways. Subscribe for daily health tips. You may also like to check out the episode about 5 scientifically proven ways to protect yourself from coronavirus.